What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it's just another Monday, but I just had a very intense meeting with my boss, with my friends, with my colleagues. So yeah, it's gonna be a long week for me, but yeah, pretty chill today, and I'm on the rhythm of like doing the daily vlogs. So yeah, I just want to continue that. So yeah, here's to another Monday, another vlog.
This is not flattering, yeah.
Wide angle.
Then how do you like?
Stop. Yeah. Press back the.
Video ရိုက်တာဝါသနာပါလို့
one on
Nah. Whew. So after a shitty day yesterday, which I will talk about it in a while, I am heading towards a friend's bar for her event, and yeah, we're gonna be drinking some events cocktail.
Go.
Let's go. Alright.
So it's a drink for two more alley hoops and it's a drinking macchiato. Tastes like you brought some cheese also. I put it there, but you're hungry, go and take.
Then what? This is a what? $200.
$200 plus.
$200.
It's a Barolo, man.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers. It's pure cheese.
Not in a wine glass, but
Yeah, but hope you all like it. It's very elegant, 10-inch, firm structure. Nice.
you got all the vocabularies.
All that lah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, very
Give me a very vocabulary rich review.
zesty, bit floral.
Alright. What's the next word? One more.
What's your favorite? Smells like what's your favorite thing? Smell it.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Tastes like Sprite.
That's a disrespect to the bartender, man. Sour. Okay, I will like it.
How was your drink? Huh? How was your drink? Sweet?
My turn to review. Salty. Nice, and nice.
Yes. So naked man. Wait, give me a second. To be complete or something. Yeah.
Really? Wait,
What? What baby chew?
Baby Chew. I don't know.
Apa ni?
Oh yeah. Just shot. I think.
Ellie 86 now. Ellie 86 now.
Last one is for. And we're done. Guest shift tonight is closed. Sell what? Wait. Sell you.
I said nice mirror. They should clean. It's on the other side of Singapore. Wow, after 30 minutes, 30-second work. Cheers, bro.
For the first year.
Yeah. Cheers. Keep quiet, guys. Someone is recording.
She's trying to take empty glasses. No lah, serious but.
Alright, so we've got more people joining us on our nights. How's your night going, brother?
Oh, it was good. It's good, man.
What's good? Alright, it's gonna be good.
Heyo!
Heyo! Fish Islands. Everyone's inside already.
We in the vlog!
Turn up. Come on, don't Hey, we're doing the G. We're doing the G.
Ken. I go.
Let's go.
Half G. Hit the G. No!
Below.
Alright, bro. Alright. Where's the song? Alright. Hey, let's go. Yes. I've been in Singapore for like quite a while, man. Quite a while. Give me your love. Hi guys. So yeah, this vlog took a while because one, like I said, I was having a bad day, and then two, I was sick. Yeah, first time in 2024, or first time in the longest time ever, I was feeling sick. So anyway, yeah, the first part of the video, that was the bad day that I had. And then after careful consideration and thinking about it, it wasn't really a bad day for me per se, but I think this is the first time that I've been been pressurized, been tested on, so which is actually good, to be honest. Never really had that kind of pressure because back in Myanmar everything is chill. Work-life culture is very much slow, but it's a different story in it's a different culture in Singapore, right? You have to be constantly coming up with ideas, doing stuff, and yeah, that's actually pretty good. That's what I like. That's what what I sign up for. So yeah, but yeah, at first when the boss lay out everything, feel like I wasn't doing enough, which when I think about it, yes, true, I wasn't doing enough. And then yeah, everything he said was right after thinking about it. Yeah, at first when he first said to me, I was like, really, am I being pressurized, blah blah blah. Yeah, I was thinking otherwise, but now yeah, he's right, and then I should be focusing more, giving more energy and time to the role that I accepted. So yeah, a lot of work to be done. Yeah, and then the second part of the day I went out to support a friend of mine who is now bartending. You know, she does a lot of content as well. Yeah, Ellie. Oops, sorry. And yeah, it was a fun night. As you guys can see in the vlog, met a few friends who do videography, and I check out their Instagram. They are very, very good. Nothing, you know, wow, they do pretty awesome stuff. So yeah, maybe I'll link them down in the video, maybe not, but yeah, they do incredible stuff. So met a few friends, met some new ones, met some old friends, and yeah, it was a crazy night, which I never really experienced in Myanmar. So yeah, was good. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Nothing much to know, going on. Tomorrow I'll be busy. Yeah, like I said, I think I'm gonna be much more, busy in the upcoming days. But yeah, I'll still try to find time to vlog and then show you guys Singapore and the food and the sights and everything that I'm doing. So that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.